Are you living in pain? Are you tired of spending a lot of money on pills and medications that don't work anyway? Are you frustrated because nothing seems to help your pain? Have you heard that EFT tapping helps, but you're not sure how to use it for pain, or maybe you've tried it and didn't get the results you wanted? Maybe you've even given up on the entire process. It just doesn't seem to work for you. Well, I'm here to tell you that there is hope. Hi, I'm Gwenn Bonnell, and I'm living proof that EFT can take away pain because tapping totally eliminated my chronic burning leg pain that I had been living with for over 12 years. That was in 1998, and I've been practicing and teaching EFT ever since, and my passion is making sure you know how to find relief for your pain through tapping. Because nobody should have to live in pain, not when tapping can help. Through working with hundreds, if not thousands of people, I've discovered what works the quickest, why you sometimes get stuck, and how to get past being stuck when you're tapping. And these are the secrets I'm sharing with you in my most trusted, time-tested, proven strategies for tapping away pain with EFT free audio series. Now, this is not just another tap-along series that doesn't specifically address your situation. Instead, this tutorial will help you understand the tapping process and how to make it work for you. So stop making newbie mistakes. Learn how to hit the bullseye with your tapping target and get relief even if there's a physical cause for your pain. Whether you're brand new to EFT or you've been tapping for a while, or even if you want to help other people manage their pain, sign up now for this free audio series by typing in your name and your best email address, clicking the link, and watching your email to confirm. Remember, you don't have to live in pain. I invite you to listen to this series and let me know how it works for you. Register now, and I'll see you on the other side.